Welcome to another video, and in this short video we're going to learn how to create a payroll. Okay, but first I want to show you a little bit about Excel. When you open up Excel for the first time, you're going to see that you will have a menu on the top, which is the home, insert, draw, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and help. And right underneath you're gonna have other icons for formatting, other tools for you to format your page. And then of course the whole worksheet is construct by columns and rows. Okay, every column is identified by letter and every row is identified by numbers, and by default they all have one size. So but we can always resize it to our needs. So we're gonna start by typing here first name. We simply go click tab on our keyboard to go to the next row, next column, and then we do last name. Simply go tab and then you go hourly wage and then hours worked and total. That total, I'm going to do it all in uppercase. All right, so what we can do here is simply click on the first column row that has the text and drag the mouse without letting go of the click. So basically to until you cover the whole text, and simply go bold, so that way this could be identified easily. We're going to come up with some fake names here. Let's say John, Richard, Nelson, Daisy, Gabby, Pamela, say what else? Let's see, Jeff. So the list could go on and on, but right now we're just going to do some fake names. So Smith, Richard, Olson, for example, Nelson, Green, Daisy, Richardson, Gabby, we'll do Martinez, and then we go Pamela, Roberts, and then we go Jeff, say Brown. These are fake names, just so you know. Okay, so here we're going to do the hourly wage for each one. So say for example 15, 50. We're going to change that in a bit. We're going to do 16 instead, 16 again, 17, 18. We'll go ahead and do 20 here, 14 here. So those are fake numbers also. But we're going to do the following on this, because as you can see, the text is on the left side, which is basically left justified, and the numbers are right justified. So that is because Microsoft has come up with the identification for text versus the numbers. So just so you know. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing, highlight the whole column of numbers, and then we're going to change it to currency. There you can see it right here where it says general. Right here you click on the drop on the arrow down, and then you look for currency. That way it's telling me that this is a number, dollar, which is 15 an hour, 16 an hour, and so on. Okay, hours worked. Here normally the hours per week are 40, 42, 41, 38, 39, 43, or 42, and then 40 again, just to give it a number. Okay, again the numbers are on the right side. And then of course the total. So here is when we start our formula. The first thing you do is hit equal signs. Equal signs will tell me that the next thing I'm going to do is a formula. It's a formula to get a number or any type of formula that you're looking for. So I did equal. So what I do is click on this specific row, and then as you can see, this is the D6. Why? Because it's a column D and it's on the row number 6. So it's telling our Excel that I want this number as a primary element or factor, and then here is where I start my formula. I want to multiply this by this number, so I do hit the multiply, and then I select the hours work. So as you can see on the formula field, you're gonna have equal signs D6, which is this number, times E6, which is this number, and then you simply hit enter, and that is how you get a simple formula, meaning this is the total of John Smith working 40 hours with a wage of $15 an hour. So he's getting $600. So I could do the same thing for the rest of the employees here, but I simply do the following. I select that total or the formula that I just created, and I go to the little top bottom corner where you can see a little dot, and until this becomes a plus, a black plus sign, then I click on that and I simply drag it to cover the rest of the employees. So as you can see, Microsoft or Excel created the formula automatically. I don't have to do that for every single employee. So because I can see that every number, as you can see, also the hours worked and the hourly wage are different, therefore the total is also different. So let's say I do 45 hours for Daisy Richardson. As you can see, the number changed to $765 now. Let's say I do say 44 hours for Gabby. That changed to 792. You see how simple and easy it is? So this is it, a simple payroll that you can do for your own company. So that's it for you guys. See you in the next video.